When I do machine quilting, I usually like to start with a couple short stitches and then I'll extend my stitch length longer and finish with short teeny tiny stitches. So I never have that knot. Now sometimes the securing function, that creates the knot. It lends itself to have a little rough spot on the back of my fabric, which I don't want on a quilt. So there is a stitch in the quilting menu. It's actually the first one, 1301. And I want to show you how this stitches out. It's not a traditional straight stitch, but it has the ability that I can start wherever I need to, and it's going to take little tiny stitches. Let's see how many it actually takes. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it starts into the length of stitch that is determined. Right now it's 2.5 millimeters, and then you do see the reverse button start to blink. That means when I get down to my desired length, I can touch the reverse button and it will finish with those same small stitches. So I might push that maybe 1/8 of an inch away from where I really want it to finish, but then I want you to watch how close I can cut these stitches to, or cut the thread to these stitches right next to this, how close, and not worry about these threads coming undone. See how secure they are? I mean, you don't even see it because they're so smart or so short, but they are not going to come out at either end. And again, this is nice and smooth on the front, smooth on the back, no knot to worry about. And then as I have finished it by using that reverse button, that means it's ready to start again. That means that when I start, I'll have those short, small stitches, then the regular stitch length, and then those short, small stitches right at the end.